how to get this sword. Wait, I'm so lag. Okay, Cursed Dagger. How to get Cursed Dagger? First, you need, if you here in Shibuya, first you need to do is going to teleport portal and go to Mizuki Village. Mizuka Village, okay. After you go Mizuka Village, here the location, like that, in front of Mizuka Village, and right side. Here, back of Mizuka Village. The first cave, this you need to go. To obtain the Cursed Dagger, you need that. Wait, okay, I will show you. I'm so lag because my device is slow. Need to go that here this NPC. Okay, to get Cursed Dagger, you need yen 2,800 yen, and enchanted crystal 250, demon head core 35, and cyclops core 8. To get crystal, like that, here crystal, sa crystal you need 185 ay 250 of crystal to like that. And the next is demon head core. The second, if you see the cave is have two option, the first cave and the second cave. You need to go to the second cave. Here the first cave, and the second cave is this side. This is the head core, demon core. You need to kill this NPC to get your demon core, demon head core, like that. See? And Cyclops core, 8 Cyclops core. Here's the boss, other side of demon core. Okay, I will show you. It's too loud. Okay. Hello Furfur, Judas. Okay, I don't get the Cyclops core. You need to kill Cyclops core more and then more, and this monster is obtaining the Cyclops core. Okay. Thanks for watching, Master Crow Locaiten.